Hello guys, welcome to our channel Project World India Cloud People. I am your trainer Jiten Shishodia. Welcome to all again in our YouTube channel Project World India Cloud People. I am starting Azure 103/104 training. Along with this, our channel will also introduce you to exam questions which comes in your certification exam. Okay, after some days I will start exam engine, but it will take some time. From this exam engine you can do your practice also. Got it? I am creating different series for exam questions such as Azure 103, Azure 104, Azure 300, Azure 400, Azure 500, Azure 900, and many more. This is Microsoft series. I am creating a series of AWS also, and I am creating a series of Palo Alto also, and more technologies like CCNA also. My aim is that you guys prepare the exam by yourself and give certification. Through this channel, I want to say that you do not go to proxy. This is my request to you all. I will show you the way you feel great. I am with you always. One more thing. If you go for a proxy, assume, I am saying assume, then you do not know which Pearson Center your exam is going on. That you should check it first if you go for a proxy. I'm always saying, please do not go to proxy exams. Prepare yourself only. Do hard work, guys. I am repeatedly telling you, please do not go to proxy. You must have understand what I wanted to say. I want to say again, please subscribe my channel, share it and like it. From this you will get, or another guys will get, more benefit as term of money, as term of knowledge also. Okay, now we do start our training without missing time. Okay, now start our training. Got it? This is the prerequisite for this global vnet peering in different region, and we will use here VPN also. Got it? Now see, this is my, suppose this is my VNet 1. Location is East US, and this is my VNet 2, and location is Southeast Asia. Got it? Means Singapore. And this is in US. Okay. Now I need two virtual network gateway. This is my VNG vnet 1. Okay, and this is my VNG net 2. Got it? This is the scenario. And we will create a VM1 here in this, and we will create VM2 here. Got it? After that, we will check the connectivity of this machine like this. And like this. Check the connectivity from ping command. Fazil, this is okay?
Yeah, it's perfect.
This method is okay. Hello?
Hello, is my voice audible, sir?
I am saying this method is okay.
Yeah, it is okay.
Okay.
It's really easy to understand.
Okay, nice. And this is check the connectivity from like vnet 2 to vnet 1. Okay. Now go to our portal and see. We will configure this vnet 1 and we will create this vnet 2. vnet 1 in location is East US and vnet 2 location is Singapore. Different reasons.
Okay.
Okay. After that, we will create a VM1 in vnet 1 and we will create VM2 in vnet 2.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
After that, we will create a like VNG, virtual network gateway. Okay, and we will create virtual network gateway in vnet 2.
Okay.
Okay. After that, we will pinging these things.
Okay.
Okay. Today we will not here. We will not off our firewall.
Okay.
In our system.
Okay.
In our like VMs. Okay. We will add rule of ICMP protocol.
Okay.
Protocol ICMP is protocol like used for pinging. If you enable, it will give you the reply. If you disable, it will not give you reply. It will say RTO only, request timeout.
Okay. Okay.
Got it? Now go to our portal. Portal name is portal.azure.com because we are doing work on Azure portal. And give your credential here. 37024. Now I want to create my virtual network first. Before this,
Okay.
I will create my resource group. Okay. Now go to resource group. Without resource group, I will not create any virtual network. First, our task is create resource group first. Now resource group is RGPWI and my region is East US. Okay.
Okay.
Now tag review plus create. You can create in both. For example, you can create in East US as well as you can create in like Southeast Asia
Okay.
in one location only.
Okay.
You cannot create in two locations this resource group. You will create resource group in one location only, either
Okay.
your East US or either your Southeast Asia.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
You cannot create on both sides.
Okay.
Now create.
East US. Okay. So only vnet you are giving different location.
vnet I will create in both sides.
Okay.
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 Now go to virtual network and type here vnet. Same thing. It's same thing. Okay. Now go to virtual networks. Now add. My subscription name is now Azure subscription 1 because my free subscription 1 subscription was disabled.
Okay.
Okay. Now I upgrade my subscription to Azure subscription 1 or it's maybe pay as you go. Got it?
Okay.
Now I have two subscriptions.
Okay.
Now this is my RGPWI.
Okay.
And virtual network is vnet 1.
Okay.
And my region is East US. Got it? Now configure our IP addresses. Take here C class IP address, private IP address 192.168.0.0/16 and go to add subnet. I am giving name here subnet vnet 1 and subnet address range is 192.168.1.0/24 slash 24. Okay. Now add and review plus create and security using by default here
Okay.
and review plus create and he is saying validation passed.
Validation passed. Create.
Yeah, then create. Now it is saying your deployment is underway. Now it is saying your deployment is completed. Go to again vnet and add here for our second vnet. Subscription is same, the source group will be same,
Okay.
and here I am giving vnet 2. Okay. Now see, I am changing region.
Okay.
Southeast Asia.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
According to this.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay. But resource group both are in same location.
Sorry, resource group is same.
Okay.
Resource
Okay.
group will same.
Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Yes.
If you change your resource group, you cannot perform like this activity because we are using same group.
Okay.
Okay, group is like collect different things.
Okay.
Got it? Now
Got it.
I am using region here Southeast Asia
Okay.
and go to IP address again, and I am using here delete this one, and I am using here B class IP address.
Okay.
Go to add subnet and type subnet name here, subnet vnet2, and subnet address range is 172.16.1.0/24. Okay, now add, go to security, tags, and review plus create. It's running final validation, validation passed. Now create. I can show you an interesting thing today.
Okay.
Okay, now I have created my vnet2. Got it? Now what I need? I need two virtual network gateway.
Gateway.
Okay.
Okay.
Now go to virtual network gateway. You can type
Okay.
here virtual network gateway full, and you can type here VNG also. VNG.
Okay.
Got it? Now virtual network gateways come or appear. Click on that. Here, go to add from here and go to add from here also. Now I am going from here. Okay, same thing. Now it is saying subscription. Subscription is my Azure subscription one.
Okay.
And see here, it is saying resource group. Select a virtual network to get resource group. Understand?
Okay. Common.
When I select my virtual network, it will select automatically the resource group.
Okay.
Got it? Now
Yes.
I am giving name here, my virtual network gateway. What's the name? Name is VNG VNet1. Okay.
Okay.
Now I am giving here VNG VNet1. Okay. Now reason, my location is East US. See here, this is East US.
Okay.
Now East US.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
Oh,
Okay. Name and
just
read.
VNG VNet1
Net.
and here East US. This one.
Okay.
See here, East US. Okay.
Okay.
Now gateway type. We will choose here VPN only. We cannot choose here
Okay.
express route. Got it? You see, by default it is choosing VPN, not express
Mm-hmm.
route.
Okay.
And we cannot perform express route practical here because we don't have infrastructure. Microsoft only has infrastructure,
For
express route.
expression. Okay.
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 Now, VPN type, root based. We cannot use here policy based.
Okay.
Okay, and we cannot discuss about this policy based.
Okay.
Now, VPN type is root based. Got it?
Okay.
SKU. SKU means SKU full form is stock keeping unit.
Stock keeping unit. Okay.
Stock.
Stock keeping unit. Okay.
Yes. See here, it is saying root-based VPN gateway type are offered in 3 SKUs: basic, standard, and high performance. What's the meaning of this basic, standard, and high performance? Basically, this is the bandwidth.
Bandwidth. Okay.
Yes, this is a bandwidth. What type of bandwidth you need in Microsoft data centers?
Okay.
Okay, as a customer, I am customer here right now.
Okay.
Okay, what's the speed? For example, you need 1 Mbps speed, you need 2 Mbps speed, you need 10 Mbps speed for this network gateway. Okay,
Okay.
depends on you what type of load you have. See
Okay.
here, they have different type of name here. This is VPN GW1. This is VPN GW2. That means this is a speed.
Okay.
Okay, this is a speed. I am choosing here basic,
Okay.
and they have here basic, standard, and high performance. Standard or high performance must be chosen if the gateway is being created to coexist with the express route gateway. Got it?
Okay.
When we use this one,
Okay. When we
then
use
you,
express route gateway type, this virtual SKU must be gateway 1 and gateway 2. The bandwidth should be more.
yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now I am choosing here basic, or I can choose here this one,
Okay.
and this one, and this one, and this one. Depends on my uses. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now I am using here basic. Now our virtual network, I have created this vnet,
Mm-hmm.
and it is fetching the information of our subnet address ranges 192.168.0.0/24. Okay. Now it is saying public address, public IP address. It is saying
Okay.
if you have existing, you can use existing. I am saying no, I don't have any existing IP address. Please create new one, and I am giving here the name vnet 1 PIP. Okay, public
Okay.
IP address, public IP,
Okay.
anything. ठीक है ना, public IP लिख देते हैं.
Okay.
And assignment is automatically dynamic.
Okay.
Okay, and enable active mode. You have to choose here disable only.
Okay.
Okay, now you see this is saying configure BGP. I don't have any BGP here. Now you have disabled this. Okay, if you use here, if you want to use here enable active mode, see here what happened. It is saying second public IP address. I do not want like this one, this activity enable active mode. If you want this, meaning of this, like if you want redundant system, got it? If you want redundant system, then you can choose this one. For example, this IP address is where this IP address has down. This will up.
Okay.
Okay, redundant system.
Got it. Got
Okay, your work will not hamper
it.
from this activity. And you can see here the gateway SKU must be VPN GW1, VPN GW2. Okay, got it?
Yes.
What's the meaning of this? Enable active mode.
Enable active mode if one server, if the primary server goes down, the secondary server
Yes,
acts as
second
okay.
will up.
Okay, okay. So there
Got
won't
it?
be any downtime or transaction limitation.
Yes.
Okay.
Our work will not hamper due
Okay.
to this enable active mode.
Okay. Okay. No
Now,
downtime.
sorry.
No downtime.
Yes, no downtime. Redundant system. Redundant means you have two or three same hardware like IP addresses like this.
Okay.
Okay, in servers we have two like power supplies. Got it? One if one down, then second will up.
Okay.
Got it?
Got it. Got it.
Now disable
Mm-hmm.
and go to next tag. I'm not using tag here. Review plus create. Running final validation. Validation passed. Now create. It will take around 30 minutes for creating the virtual network gateway.
Okay.
I have chosen here basic.
Okay.
Okay. In basic, we cannot use this active mode. If you want to use active mode, you have choose to VPN1 GW like and VPN1 to GW. This is a plans basically, and according to plan, they will charge you.
Okay.
Yes. Now it is saying your deployment is underway. Now again go to vnet. Sorry, VNG.
Okay. Second
Now
gateway.
yes, now we will create this one
Okay.
VNG VNet 2.
Okay.
Okay. Now go to add. Now subscription is my Azure subscription 1 and I am giving name here VNG VNet 2. Okay. Now my location is this one, Southeast Asia. South
Okay.
Southeast Asia. This one.
Okay.
Okay. Now again choose here VPN type VPN.
Okay.
Gateway type, sorry. Okay.
Okay.
And VPN type
You
is
can
route based
route based.
and SKU is basic.
Okay.
You can choose anyone.
Okay.
Depends on you.
Okay.
After that, you will get the bill from Microsoft according to the plan.
Okay.
I am using basic. And my virtual network is what? VNet 2.
VNet 2. Okay.
It is not showing VNet. Okay, because this is different region. And I have created VNet 2 in Southeast Asia, not in East US.
Okay. Okay.
If I have created this VNet in East US, it will show both VNet and VNet 2. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Got it.
Now I am choosing my VNet 2 and it will fetched my subnet address range 172.16.0.0/24. Okay. Now I need to create public IP address here also, and I am giving name here VNet 2 VIP, and I am choosing here by default disabled. configure this VGP, and next tags and review plus create. Now it is saying validation passed. Now create.
Okay.
Now go to your bell icon. This is your good friend, true friend, and it is saying deployment is progress, and second one is saying deployment is underway. Got it?
Yes.
Now it will take around 30 minutes
Mhm.
to complete this task. Okay, or deployment of this VNGs. Now, meanwhile, we will go to our. We have now we will create two virtual machines.
Okay.
Okay. Now, meanwhile, go to our where
Mm.
virtual machines or type here VM for creating the virtual machine. Go to add. Go to your subscription Azure subscription one. Go to your resource group. RGPWI resource group will be same. And my virtual machine name is VM1.
Mhm.
Okay. And reason is East US.
Okay.
This one.
Okay.
East US. IoT option. No, I am not using here this one. And image is I'm using here Windows Server 2012 R2 data center.
Okay.
Okay. Size virtual machine size is this one. Standard D2S V3. Okay,
Okay.
it has two virtual CPUs and 8 GB memory. Okay,
Okay.
nice. And you can choose here down some little like this one. Standard D2MS virtual CPU is 2 8 GB memory. I am using here this one.
Mm-hmm. Got
Okay.
it.
Now username is Jitendra. Password is India @ 123456. India @123456. And inbound port is by default it is taking RDP 3389 for taking our RDP of this machine from disk. This by default it is using premium SSD.
Mm.
Okay, networking. I am choosing here VNet, virtual network VNet, and it will not show another VNet. Okay, it will show one VNet here.
Region. Okay.
Okay, because of reason. Got it?
Okay.
Now subnet is this subnet vnet 1 192.168.1.0/24, and public IP is it will create automatically here. I am not using that public IP address, that for our VNG, and this is for our virtual network, virtual machine. Got it?
Okay.
Now please leave it by default. Okay, and go to your management. Please off this one, and advanced I'm not using here. I'm not changing here by leave it by default. Tags and review plus create. It is saying they will charge me for 6 rupees per hour INR. Okay, After 5 minutes, I will create another session, okay? And send on WhatsApp.
Okay.
Now create. Meanwhile, I will create a session. Schedule. See here. It will take time. See here. It will take time. Okay. 5 minutes. It will take around 30 minutes. Both VNG.
Okay.
Yeah. Hello, Julian.
Hello.
Hello, Julian. Hello, Julian. Hello, Julian. Now wait for 1 2 minute. Okay.
It will take more 15 minutes more.
Yeah, it will take around. It will take what 16 minutes, 20 minutes. Yeah, it will take 10 minutes more.
Okay.
Voice audible?
Yes, Fazil.
I think Julian has joined the session.
Yes, Julian joined. Ratnam.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
Yeah, you understand what we are doing.
Yeah. I know a little bit about AWS.
Okay.
I'm new to Azure. Yeah, I have understand.
Today what we are doing?
I think sir, routine work.
This one. Read plus. Read this one. We are doing today global vnet peering in different regions. Okay. For this activity, we need two different vnet in different regions. We need two virtual network gateways. Okay. We will use here VPN also. Okay. And we need two VM in our two vnet also. Okay. Ratnam.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Julian, you are there or sleeping? Hello, Julian.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah, we are hearing you now.
Okay. I
Okay.
had a sound problem, so
Okay. What's the today our objective?
uh, I've just taken the meeting, but I've seen some I've seen that we have to create some virtual machine and
Today's objective is global vnet peering in different regions. Okay.
okay, global network.
Okay. Now we have created our one virtual machine. Okay. In meanwhile, we will create another virtual machine also. Okay.
Sure.
Now here we have one VM virtual machine. Now I am creating another virtual machine also. According to this, we have virtual machine 1 and we need virtual machine 2 also.
Southeast Asia.
Yeah, in Southeast Asia. Location is Southeast Asia and our virtual network name is vnet2. Now, subscription will be same as you subscription 1 and resource group will be same. RGPWI, virtual machine name is VM2. And region is, I am changing region here, Southeast Asia, this one. It is in Asia Pacific.
Okay.
It is established in Singapore.
Okay.
Okay. And image I am choosing here 10, Windows 10 Pro.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
And size is here B2MS, standard B2MS.
Okay.
And Microsoft Azure has more sizes, around 500 plus sizes they have.
Okay.
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 And here I am giving here username is Azure user, okay, or admin user. I am giving here admin user.
Okay.
Password is India@123.
Okay.
456. And one more thing, we will take RDP from private IP, not public IP.
Okay. Okay.
When we establish the connection.
Okay.
When we RDP of VM2 from private IP. Got it? Understand?
Okay.
Now, use by default here. Okay.
Okay.
Go to this disk. Choose by default. Now go to networking again. And networking, it is choosing vnet 2. Okay.
Okay.
And my subnet is this one. And I will create a public IP here also. And go to management again.
Okay.
And please
Disable
off
the
this one.
diagnostics.
Yes. Advanced tags. I will not use tag here right now. And go to review plus create. See here. It is giving me 7 rupees, 7.5 rupees INR per hour. Now create. It will take minimum 30 minutes and maximum around 45 minutes.
The VPN creation takes more time.
Yes. Not VPN, like your VNG.
Okay.
And VNG, we have VPN also.
Okay.
Tomorrow we will do DNS. Okay.
DRS. Okay.
In this DNS, how we will configure our DNS on Azure. Okay. And how will use custom DNS also.
Distributed resource scheduler, right?
Distributed.
Resource scheduler. DRS.
DRS.
No, I'm
DNS.
just requesting the abbreviation.
In DNS.
DRS. You are talking about DNS, right? DNS.
Yes.
Okay, sorry, I mistook as DRS.
DRS we will take around after some classes.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah, our second VM is created,
Okay.
and within 1 minute. See here. VM1 location is East US and VM2 location is Southeast Asia. Okay. Okay, no issue. It will take more time. Meanwhile, go to your VM1. Okay.
Okay.
Now I am taking RDP of this machine. Okay. And IP, public IP address is this.
Okay.
Now here. Our second VM is also ready. Okay.
Okay.
See. Go to your virtual machines. And the status is running. Okay. Now
Okay.
go to our VM1 first and take RDP. Connect. Take RDP. Go to RDP again. And download file. Download RDP file. And click on this file.
Okay.
And connect. Now it is connecting to our virtual machine. And it is asking about credentials. I have given, I think, Jitendra, and password is India @12345 Okay. Now it is connecting to a virtual machine. It is asking about the certificate. Now say yes. Meanwhile, go to your bell icon. It's your true friend. It will tell you each and everything very truth manner. And it is saying first one 34 minutes and it's going 30 seconds, second VNG. I think it will take 45 minutes. I think.
Okay.
Got it? Now go to your virtual machine. Yes, this is your virtual machine. And we have, I think, server 2012 R2 data center operating system here.
Okay.
And go to your command prompt. Check your IP address. Command is IP config /all. Enter. And my IP address is here 192.168.1.4. Okay.
Okay.
Now go to your second virtual machine. Go to virtual machines and we have VM2 located in Southeast Asia. Okay. Now again go to connect. Now again go to RDP. Now go to again download RDP file. Click on that file and connect again. It is asking about credential again, and I have given username like admin user. Got it? And password is India @12345 Now okay. Now yes, it is asking about certificate. Now this is our operating system like Windows 10.
Windows 10. Windows
Yes. Ratnav, understand something?
Yeah, I understand, sir.
Okay, good. Julian, understand what I'm doing?
Yeah, yeah, I understand.
Okay, okay, good. Rishabh,
Yes, sir.
Okay, understand?
Yes, sir. No issues.
So if you have any doubt, please stop me. Okay.
Yes.
Please check your IP address here also and go to your command prompt. I am writing here cmd and check here ipconfig 4. This is command for check our
All
networking
okay.
area. Okay. And I have this IP address 172.16.1.4. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now go to bell icon again. Check your VNG created or not. It will take time. Wait for 5 minutes, guys. Okay.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Fazil. It will take time. Okay. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, Fazil. It
Okay.
will take time. Okay. After deployment, we will continue.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay.
Yeah. Sure. Sir.
Yeah. Hello, Fazil.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Is my
Yeah,
work on?
one deployment is success. Okay.
Yeah.
And another deployment of VNG will be around. I think it will take 2 or 3 minutes also. Okay. Now,
Yeah. Exactly. It
meanwhile,
takes 45 minutes for each. Exactly. This count taken 45 minutes. Exactly. The
yes,
first
yes.
deployment.
Okay. Now, meanwhile, go to our first VNG we have
Okay.
created. Now go to VNG.
Okay.
See here. We
Okay.
have VNG1 and VNG vnet2. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now go to our VNG vnet1. Got
Okay.
it?
Okay.
Now we are in VNG vnet1 like virtual network gateway.
Okay.
The source group is RGPWI, location is East US, and
East
subscription
US.
is Yes, subscription is Azure subscription 1,
Okay.
and SKU type is basic, and gateway type is VPN, and VPN type is route based. Okay,
Okay.
and virtual network is vnet, and
Got
public
it.
IP address is this one.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
now go to your connections. I want establish connection with another vnet
Okay.
or another VNG.
Okay.
Okay, now go to your connections.
Okay. Okay.
From first we have checked our second VNG is created or not. Go to bell icon. It will take time. Okay, no issue.
5 minutes.
Yeah, before this we cannot do anything.
Okay.
Okay, now go to add. Please check for your knowledge and give here name. Like I am giving here name vnet 1 to vnet 2. Got it?
Okay.
And please don't give here space.
Okay.
You will get error, I think.
Okay. Okay.
You will get error definitely. Okay, when you save this.
Okay.
Now connection type is vnet to vnet. I am
Okay.
using here vnet to vnet.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and we have
Okay.
three more thing here also: vnet to
Right.
vnet, site to site VPN, and express route
Express.
VPN.
Okay.
Okay, now I am using here vnet to vnet.
Okay.
Please select this vnet to vnet,
Okay.
and this is our first virtual network gateway, VNG
Okay.
vnet 1. Okay, it is
Okay.
lockable. You cannot change here
Okay. Okay.
because lock is coming here.
Okay. Okay.
Got it? You
Okay.
cannot, if you click on that, you cannot change here.
Okay. Okay.
And it is saying what is your second virtual network gateway. I am click on that. My second gateway, this one.
Okay.
Okay, click on that. It will not click because it is not created right now. Takes some time. When our deployment succeeded, it will enable.
Okay.
Okay, wait for some time.
Okay.
If you go for any institute, nobody tell you that, this terminology
Okay.
VNG. And one more thing, the topology of this like hub and spoke. If somebody tell you or ask you about what is hub and spoke topology in Azure,
Okay.
this is the topology. Virtual network gateway is a topology of hub and spoke topology.
Okay.
Got it?
What is the scope and topology means? It's a virtual network gateway topology.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
See, for example, we are using here virtual network gateway only. Okay. If someone
Okay.
asks you what is hub and spoke technology,
Okay.
you
Okay.
tell him was virtual network gateway
Okay.
only. You will understand that you work on virtual network gateway.
Okay. What is the topology for vnet to vnet? Some may question, right?
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay. What is the topology used for vnet to vnet connectivity?
Yes.
Yeah, virtual network.
Global VNet to VNet.
Okay. Global vnet.
In last class, we have covered, I think, VNet to VNet peering only.
Yeah,
in same
exactly.
region, in same region.
Same region. But in that I created that as a resource group in different locations, 2 different locations.
Okay. In which this in this?
No, last session we had, right?
No, we have only one resource group.
Okay. No,
See,
last time while practicing I created 2 resource.
acha, you created.
Yeah,
So you have done practical.
yeah, practical. I
No,
was able to.
basically you have same subscription.
Okay.
In same subscription, you have created 2 resource groups.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Think of this. Subscription is same, and
Yeah.
in a same subscription, you have created 2 resource group.
Exactly.
No issue. We can ping the machines in the same region. No issue.
Yes. Because might be the challenge is like they are in the same location.
Okay, they are in same location.
Location.
Okay. But pairing is necessary. Without pairing, you cannot ping each other.
Yes. Yes. While
Okay.
creating pairing, it was bit.
Pairing in same region, pairing like your cascading. Got it?
Exactly. Got it.
Got it? Cascading. What is cascading? If you are connect 2 switches each other,
Okay.
you need a cable, cross cable.
Okay. Okay.
This is a pairing.
Okay.
And topology is cascading.
Okay. Fine.
Got it?
Got
In
it.
virtual machine, we will create pairing only.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, sure.
In on premises, we need 2 if on premises, if I am creating 2 vnet, yani 2 vnet means 2 virtual 2 network. Okay, for 2 network I need 2 switches.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
And if I want ping each like 2 computers in different vnet network, I need 2 switches,
Okay.
and I will connect via cable,
Okay.
and that cable is cross cable.
Okay.
Got it?
Got it, sir.
Now see here, we have created our second virtual network gateway.
Exactly takes 45 minutes.
Okay, 45 minutes.
Okay.
Now please refresh this one and click on that. We check what will happen. Nothing is happening. Now please go to your virtual net, VNG VNet 1 connections. Okay, and please refresh again and go to connections. Now go to connections and go to add,
Okay.
and I am giving name here VNet 1 to VNet 2. Okay,
Okay.
and connection type is VNet to VNet.
Okay.
My first virtual network gateway is VNG VNet 1. It is lockable. You cannot change here. And go to your second virtual network gateway, and it is saying choose another virtual network gateway. Click on that.
Okay.
And see here, now it is enabled VNG VNet 2. Okay.
Okay.
Now click on that. Now it is coming here.
Okay.
And please give here shared key. I am giving here, for example, 1024 at the rate.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
Now KEE protocol. I am using here KEE version 2. Okay. This is basically for creating of tunnel.
Okay. Tunneling. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And you can check here also. IKE protocol used by this connection.
Okay.
Got it. Subscription is Azure subscription 1 and resource group is RGPWI. Location is east to west. Now okay. It will create 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay.
Meanwhile, go to your VNG VNet 2. Okay.
Okay.
Now, where I will go? VNG.
VNG or virtual network gateway.
Now, it is saying create connection. Okay. Successfully.
Okay.
Now go to your VNG VNet 2 again. Now go to again connections. Now go to add
Okay.
and give the name here VNet 2 to VNet 1.
Okay. Okay.
Like this.
Okay. Got
VNet
it. Got
2
it.
to VNet 1. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now I'm using connection type here VNet 2
To
VNet.
VNet.
Okay.
Okay.
And here, see here. First virtual network gateway is now VNG VNet 2.
VNet
Is
2.
lockable.
Second one. Okay.
You cannot change here.
Okay.
In Azure, very simple.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Got it.
If you want change here VNet like VNG VNet 2, you cannot do.
Okay.
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 Now
got it.
go to your second virtual network gateway. Please select this one. VNG VNet 1. You cannot choose here.
VNet 2 already logged.
Okay. Now select this one. And shared key is 1204 at the rate. Same.
Okay.
Shared
Okay.
key will be same in both
For
VNG.
both. Okay.
Okay, if you give another shared key here, you cannot establish connection between VNG1 and VNG2.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
Now, please choose same protocol here.
Okay.
Now, okay. Please see here. Subscription as use subscription 1. And resource group is my resource group is RGPWI. Location is Southeast Asia.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
Now, okay. It will take 2 to 1 minutes creating connection.
But in pairing, we used to do in only one end, right?
Only one.
Okay.
Only,
Pairing.
yeah, in pairing, in VNet to VNet in same region.
Okay. Only one pairing is
Only one VNet, only go to one VNet and configure the thing. You don't go to like second VNet.
Okay.
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 Because
Got
we don't create any like VNG in VNet to VNet in same region pairing.
Okay.
Now our connection is created. Please check here. Status is unknown. Okay. It will take 2 minutes for handshaking. After 2 minutes, it will change. It will change like connection.
Okay.
Okay. In meanwhile, go to your virtual machines and check your ping also. What's the status of our machines?
Okay.
I'm giving the command ping. Like here, I am
192.
192, but I will give here 172.
Okay. Okay.
For our second VNet IP address.
Sure.
It is saying request time out. Okay.
Okay.
Now refresh here. Now go to our VNG vnet 1.
Okay.
Now go to connections
Mm-hmm.
and check here what's the status. It is saying now not connected. Okay. And vnet 2 to vnet 1 is saying unknown. It will take some time.
VNet has been created, but connection still not yet.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, status is not connected here.
Oh.
After some time, it will show you connected.
Okay.
Now go to our second VM2. Okay.
Yes.
Now I am giving command here ping 192.168.1.4 minus T. Enter here. Now see.
It start pinging.
It will start pinging.
Okay.
Okay. Why? I think connection is established now.
Okay.
Refresh.
Okay.
We wait for some time. Okay.
Okay.
And why it is pinging? I think I don't off firewall.
No, sir. In this, we don't need to turn off the firewall, right?
Please check. My firewall is running,
Yes, yes.
but why it is pinging?
Yeah, in this concept, no need of firewall, right? Already we have established the gateway connection.
Why? Because
No.
Because this firewall is running on OS base now.
Okay, okay, okay.
Wait for a minute, okay? It will take some time. Wait for a minute, okay? It will take some time to getting status. And in backend, it will, I think, created. That's why it is doing pinging.
Okay.
Oh, I will create another session. See here, latency is more.
Yes, yes.
Why?
Because region-wise.
Region wise, yes. Because US and Singapore, they have distance more.
Okay.
Okay, this is the time of traveling data.
Okay.
Where is now see connected.
Okay, connect. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now go to your second VNG and command is VNG. Go to your second VNG and see the connection status. Go to your connections and see here your Now status connected. Okay. Now go to your virtual machines and see here why it is doing pinging. Okay.
Okay.
Now go to your this server 2012. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And go to your where I will check. Where I will check. Go to your advanced settings.
Okay.
In advanced setting, go to your inbound rule
Okay.
because it is pinging to me.
Okay.
Where I will check? I will check in my inbound rules and go to your ICMP rule. Where is my IPM? ICMP
Okay.
rule. See here. See here. This file and printing sharing echo request. Okay. This is enable.
Okay.
See here. This is enable.
Okay.
If I am disabling here, then apply. Then okay. Now see here. Go to your another virtual machine and see here. What will come? It will continue pinging or it will what the result is come.
Yeah, it is continuing the thing.
Okay. Now why it is doing continuous pinging? Block the connection.
Sir, is there anything that we need to add inbound rule for?
No.
Oh,
Here something wrong. Got it. Something is missing here. No issue. is pinging continuously. See where the problem. Okay, no issue. I will check, है ना? Where it is taking the permission. Okay. At last, not least, you are going to benefit a lot through this channel like money. I request you guys not to go anywhere for exam. Please do study, understand the concept and pass your exam. Enjoy my channel. I am repeatedly saying subscribe to my channel, like and share and press bell icon. And I am saying again, please do hard work with me. I will give you lot of in terms of exams, certifications, vouchers. I will give you voucher in very subsidized rate. Okay. Thank you once again and have a nice day. Thank you once again.